Hey, it's Dustin. In this video, I want to talk about how to increase your prices as a hairstylist. Here are a couple rules that I like to live by. As a rule of thumb, when your schedule is 70% full, you can raise your prices by 10 to 15%. Every time you raise your prices, you'll lose some clients, and that's just fine. You want to make sure that your increase covers this and that you don't price yourself out of a job. Another rule I like to use is not to raise your prices more than once every 2 years. This timeline is fair and expected. If you're raising your prices more frequently, clients will get annoyed. Every 2 years is good because it goes along with the cost of living and increase in supply costs. When you go to increase your prices, make sure that you'll still be happy with those prices 2 years from now. I think it's a good practice to place a notice 2 months in advance that prices will be going up on a certain date. Another courtesy that we always do is if someone questions the price after you've raised your prices, simply explain that you raised your prices and you'd be happy to give them the old price for this visit. At the end of the day, your clients are your business. Raising your prices are an important part of a thriving business, and when you do it right, it should be strategic and communicated well. I want you to not only get by as a hairstylist, but I want you to surpass your wildest goals. If you want to grow to a six-figure plus hair business, I'm ready to help. Go ahead and click the button below to sign up for Salon Marketing University, where you will learn the step-by-step process to getting new clients on autopilot so that you can live the life of your dreams. So click the button below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.